Hi, everybody. Today I am going to be showing you how to make your $50 deposit to commit to National Louis University. The link to go and make your deposit is nl.edu/deposit. So you can type that into your search bar and you'll be brought to this page here. Now you can go ahead and type in your username that you were sent in your acceptance email and the password that goes along with that. If you need your login information resent at all, feel free to reach out to your enrollment specialist so they can send that over to you. So this is the same sign-in as your NLU student portal. Now, to make your deposit, or when you make your deposit, it'll be your commitment to National Louis University for the fall. So once you've decided, yes, you're going to be a National Louis Eagle, you're joining the NLU family, then it is time to put down your $50 tuition deposit. This is non-waivable and non-refundable. However, it is not an additional fee. It goes directly towards your out-of-pocket cost. So the first page here, now that I've logged in, it has brought me straight to make a payment. So I'm just double checking that my information is correct. And you'll see that the charge is for our undergraduate college, your freshman tuition deposit of $50. So that is all correct. I'll go ahead and click next to the payment section. You can either pay directly from a bank account and enter all of that information in here, or you can pay with a credit or debit card. And I can go ahead and enter that information in here. So you'll go ahead and put your card number, all of your information, including your billing address. And once all of that is plugged in correctly, you can go ahead and confirm that you're not a robot and answer the question that it asks you here to verify. And once I click continue, it will submit my $50 deposit. Super easy, really just those two steps. And then I will be given a receipt. So your receipt will let you know that you did pay your $50 deposit. It will commit you and save your seat for the fall so that you are officially a National Louis Eagle. Again, if you have any questions about submitting your deposit or making your deposit, you can always reach out to your enrollment specialist. And we are so excited to have you as part of the NLU family this fall. Thanks.